Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Today I will share with you a job openings from Abu Dhabi, and I hope you all know that this is a Gulf country. So if you have a plan to move Gulf country with a job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details I will share with you. So let's know the job openings and the basic requirements to apply for this job and how to apply everything details. So let's start. As you can see here, this is a welding and fabrication foreman required in Abu Dhabi. So again, I am repeating you, this job openings for welding and fabrication foreman required in Abu Dhabi. So Abu Dhabi requirement fabrication yard candidate who can attend interview at Chennai only forward profile. So that you can see here, if you are able to go to Chennai and can attend the interview, then you can apply. So a reputed oil and gas EPC company is looking for the below vacancies, excellent salary package and benefits. So number one, fabrication foreman, charge hand. Number two, welding foreman, charge hand. Interested candidate should be send their CV to the given official email ID. So guys, here there is nothing more information. First of all, you have to send your CV if you were really eligible for any of this job. Once you forward your CV to the given official email ID, the shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, they will call you and to move Chennai to attend the interview. So again, I would like to highlight you this is only for welding and fabrication foreman. So guys, if you have previous experience and you are really eligible with a proper certifications to get a job for welding and fabrication foreman, then apply as soon as possible. Don't waste your time. If you are looking for abroad job, you can apply as soon as possible and you can attend the interview in Chennai and you can move forward to complete this process. So interested candidates collect their CV, collect their in this official email ID and forward your CV to the given official email ID. This email ID you can get from the descriptions below this video. So first of all, you should check that you are really eligible for a fabrication foreman or for a welding foreman, then only can apply for this job. Your certifications, your excellent skills, your experience, everything should be in proper so that the client will be select you in interview and you can get job and move Dubai or Abu Dhabi with a proper job with a good salary. So for today and for these job openings, there are only two job vacancies. One is welding foreman and another is fabrication foreman. I hope if you have international experience or if you have Gulf experience and you want to move again Gulf country with a good salary, then you can apply and you can negotiate your salary after you crack the interview. So first of all, you check your qualifications, your experience to apply for any of this job. Then you have to forward your CV to the given official email ID. So this is the all informations I'm sharing with you. Very simple. You have to check you are really eligible for this job or not. If you are really eligible, then you can apply by this official email ID. After you apply, the shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview in the proper fixed date and time. And once you crack the interview, the rest process will be start like the medical process or the visa process will be start by the company. So don't worry about that. You just need to check that you are really eligible or not and you are able to go to Chennai or not. So if you are able to go to Chennai, then apply as soon as possible and you have to take your all documents during interview. So guys, I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you regarding these job openings. And still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. And I would like to suggest you please share this informations your friends or relatives or the candidates who really want a job in Gulf country and they are looking for a job in Gulf country with the same professionals. So please share this, share them and suggest them to apply as soon as possible so that they can apply in the proper way, in the proper time and they can attend the interview in the proper fixed date and time so that they can move Abu Dhabi to job. So again, I would like to suggest you share this information as much as possible, and I hope you understand all things what I'm sharing. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your question, and I already repeated you. If you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box, so I will try to give your answer. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video I will try to give you the information regarding about job, which is the latest job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel and check each and every video in the channel. And first of all, you need to know that if you are really looking for abroad job, you have to keep patience. You have to try again and again, and you have to attend many interviews so that you can gain experience, and from this experience you can crack the interviews. After you crack the interviews, of course, you can move abroad with your job. This is the genuine way and the proper way to get a abroad job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. And of course, in the next video, we will discuss regarding the new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.